If you're using random hashtags on Instagram and not getting results, this video will show you how to find niche hashtags that actually help you grow. First, understand this. Big hashtags like hashtag love or hashtag fitness are too competitive. Your post disappears in seconds. Instead, you need smaller, targeted hashtags related to your exact niche. Step 1. Start with one main keyword. For example, if your niche is fitness for beginners, type beginner fitness into Instagram's search bar and tap on tags. Instagram will show related hashtags and how many posts each one has. Look for hashtags between 5,000 and 200,000 posts. That's usually the sweet spot for niche growth. Step 2. Check your competitors. Go to small or medium creators in your niche. Open their top-performing posts and analyze which hashtags they're using. Don't copy everything. Look for patterns. Step 3. Use hashtag expansion. Take one good hashtag and search it again to discover even more related micro-hashtags. Step 4. Mix them correctly. Use 3 to 5 small hashtags, 5 to 7 medium hashtags, 2 to 3 slightly larger ones. Keep them highly relevant to your content. And finally, track results. If a post performs well, save those hashtags and reuse similar combinations. That's how you find niche hashtags that actually help you grow instead of getting lost in massive competition. Like and subscribe for more Instagram growth tutorials.